Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add error bars to your charts here in Microsoft Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so you can see we have some very basic information here. We're going to go ahead and make ourselves a chart. So we will select these, insert, and let's add ourselves in a pie chart. Okay, if that doesn't work, that's absolutely fine. We'll go to recommended or put in a bar chart. Now, once you have your chart installed, go ahead and click on the plus sign right next to it, which is the Chart Elements tab. Click on this and you'll see the option for error bars. Okay, so all we want to do now is click this and you can see the error bars have been added. We can also go ahead and choose what kind of error we'll be looking for, as you can see right here. We can also go through more options and we can change exactly what we'd like it to grab the information from. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below.